What's up, YouTube? Melting Metal Anthony with another one for you. Today, I want to talk to you about 3 must-have medical items that every welder, or in my case, mobile welder, should have near them, or in my case, again, in my rig. So, I got them laid out here. One, very obvious, the first aid kit. All right, so inside of the medical kit here, we have some, I don't know what this is, some sort of adhesive bandage. I refill this thing periodically, and I like to get these sheet things because they just kind of have everything in it. This was a kit I took it apart and put it in my box. My box is waterproof. You know, just all the basics, gloves, you know, whatnot, compress, Q-tips, all that, bandages. You know, down in here, you know, more of those skin cleaning alcohol wipes. There's some antiseptic. You know, just the basics. Basically what you would have in any first aid kit. So the next medical item I think every welder should have near them is this plastic surgery skin super glue. This stuff is great. If you get a nice gash like I did here, you just pump this stuff into it, squeeze it, hold it together, and then bam. It's not the prettiest scar ever, but I'm not in this for a beauty show. All right, so the last item, I know every welder, because I use this stuff so much, I probably go through 4 bottles a year. So you always want to get the one with this little cup. You just fill it in here in this little cup, and then you just go ahead and swig that back on your eye, and usually the stuff will come out. But yeah, this stuff is indispensable. I would suggest everyone carry this on their truck or in their shop. So those are my top 3 medical items I like to keep on my rig. So tell me what you guys keep in your shop. What do you keep on your rig? Maybe there's something I'm missing. I know about the rare earth magnet. I haven't done that yet because this has always worked with pretty much 100% success rate, so if it ain't broke. But if you guys can think of anything else, anything to mend your skin quickly, like the medical super glue, this stuff is great. Plastic surgery super glue. Obviously, I'll put the links to all this stuff except for the medical kit probably, because I'm sure y'all have one, down in the description below. My Instagram is down there if y'all want to see more of what I do on a day-to-day. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Safety third, and keep on burning rod, keep doing what you do. I'm Melting Metal Anthony. Catch you on the next one.